So the knife jab is a long range movement. And my first target generally with the basic knife jab is not necessarily going to be her head, because her head is either going to be protected by her hands or it's going to be a little bit too far away, and if I extend my arm, Veda's going to cut it. So instead, I like to think of the initial attack with the knife jab as being to Veda's hands. If Veda does not move her hand, like if I'm just here, if she doesn't move her hand, I'm going to attack that hand, right? But if she does move the hand, to keep it safe, move the hand please. Yeah. So again, I'm going to jab, she's going to move the hand. I follow up with my live hand, trapping that hand or monitoring that hand, and that clears up the path to the head. Or if she again moves the hand, then I can attack the head. But because the knife jab is such a quick movement that doesn't require much telegraphy, doesn't require much of setup or anything, I can be moving around and boom, I can fire it pretty quickly, pretty accurately, without Veda necessarily being able to do much about it. It's very hard to cut a knife jab because of the speed and the unpredictability of it. One reason why I might want to enter from here is because I go, if she moves the hand and then I go to the head, she might, which is a really common drill that we have in Pekiti. So instead, she can move the hand, I can go to the head, she does this, I can then strip and then go here. That's one option. Or instead of me going to the head from here, I follow with this hand, and then if she starts to switch sides with me, please come this side. If she stops this, I can scoop and attack, or if she stops this, I can scoop and attack, or so I can go here or I can go here. Okay, it's really up to me. So depending on what her reactions are going to be, my knife jab is generally going to be a good tool for me to be able to go from long range, safely past the hand. If she doesn't move the hand, I'm going to hit her hand. If she does move the hand, it gives me the tools to trap the hand, monitor the hand, and then attack this way or this way. Either way, I'm going to look to clear or bang bang. That's also perfectly fine.